Welcome to this beautifully updated home on Palo, Duro, thoroughly refreshed, redone, and remodeled with modern touches. This home blends comfort, style, and function in every space. Take a look.
Bungalow in Country Club, Avondale, with a flexible floor plan. This home offers 3 bedrooms plus a second living area, ideal as a 4th bedroom or office. It features extensive updates for peace of mind. Major systems are newer, including the electrical and plumbing and HVAC. Newer windows and flooring are installed in most areas. The kitchen and 2 bathrooms are fully renovated. The private fenced backyard contains a detached workshop with electricity, located near the Hospital District and Amarillo Country Club. Make your appointment to see this amazing home today.
Remember 814 Palo Duro. If you're looking for move-in ready, don't wait. It won't last long. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.